Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can easily set up and scan QR codes on your Samsung phone. Let's go! So first you need to find the camera app on your phone. Once you've found it, you need to select it in order to open it. So once you have the camera app open, you can point the camera to a QR code to scan it. And as your camera is scanning the QR code, you'll notice a link in the form of text appear towards the bottom of the screen. All you need to do then is select that, and once you do that, it will take you to the connected website or information, or whether it's a download link, whatever it is, it will connect you directly with that. In this case, I created this QR code linking my YouTube channel. So once I clicked on that link, it has taken me to my YouTube channel. If in case your phone is not set up to scan QR codes at the moment, you just need to take some extra steps to set it up. You will need to find and select settings, and then scroll down and find the apps option. Select the apps option. Once you're in there, scroll down and find the camera option. Select camera. Once you're in the app info for camera, select camera settings. Once you're in camera settings, have a look at the scan QR codes option. It should be active or selected. Once you do that, then your phone is ready and activated to scan QR codes. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you.